Hey, you know, the way we say goodbye in our conversations. Using the word goodbye can sound a bit formal, and there are so many other friendly alternatives we can use depending on the context.
Oh, really? I hadn't really given it much thought. What do you suggest?
Well, in casual situations, instead of saying goodbye, you can go for something more relaxed like bye, bye, see you later, see you soon, see ya, or even I'm heading off.
Ah, got it. Those do sound more friendly and laid back.
Absolutely. And if you're in a formal setting or feeling a bit old-fashioned, you can try phrases like, have a great day, take care, have a safe journey, or it was nice to see you or meet you. For a more classic touch, you could go with farewell, Tara, Tata for now, or stay in touch.
Interesting. I never realized there were so many options. I'll keep that in mind. I've noticed people sometimes use different expressions when saying goodbye in different situations. Is that a cultural thing?
Absolutely. The way we say goodbye can vary across cultures and even among different social circles. It's like a small window into the cultural norms and social dynamics of a group of people.
Interesting. Can you give me an example?
Sure. In some cultures, it's common to express well wishes for someone's day, like have a great day or take care. In others, the emphasis might be on the future encounter, like see you soon or stay in touch. It's all about the cultural context and what is considered polite or appropriate.
That makes sense. It's fascinating how language reflects cultural nuances.
Great to hear. Language learning is all about exploration and finding what works best for you. So, whether it's saying goodbye in a more casual way or trying out new language learning techniques, enjoy the journey.
Will do. Thanks for the conversation and the valuable tips.